Hi everyone, my name is Mr. David and I am an interactive drumming facilitator. In a Rhythm Path program, every participant is given a drum to play and I guide them through song and rhythm to work together as one large group. And my motto is, drumming is easy.
Ready? Alright, now stomp your feet like an elephant. Now, get your trunk like an elephant. And make your best elephant sound. Ready? Alright, there we go. Awesome. Alright, sit down. Alright, great job. While we play this rhythm, I want you to imagine an elephant walking around in the gym. Alright, here we go. Goomba, goomba. 1, 2, ready, go.
Everyone has rhythm. Everyone has a heartbeat. Even if you don't feel like you can keep a steady beat or play a great musical sound, you are still adding your own unique rhythms and sounds to the drum circle. The activity really gets everyone laughing and smiling and learning together.